When you hear the word hacker, you might instantly picture someone hunched over a laptop in a shadowy room, their face hidden by a hoodie, surrounded by glowing screens filled with mysterious code. This image is everywhere in movies and TV shows, but the reality is far more interesting and much less sinister. In truth, hackers are more like digital locksmiths, curious, inventive problem solvers who are fascinated by the inner workings of computer systems. They thrive on challenges, always eager to figure out how things tick and how to make them work in new ways. Imagine a never-ending escape room, but instead of physical locks and keys, it's made entirely of code. Hackers search for hidden doors, secret passages, and clever shortcuts in the digital world, always looking for the next puzzle to solve. Just like any skilled locksmith, digital locksmiths need the right set of tools. In their world, these tools are computer programs, often custom-built and carefully crafted to tackle unique challenges and puzzles that no one else has solved before. Among all the programming languages, Python stands out as the ultimate multi-tool. It's powerful, easy to learn, and incredibly flexible, perfect for experimenting, prototyping, and building creative solutions quickly. Today, we'll step into this secret workshop and discover how digital locksmiths use Python to invent, test, and refine their tools in 2026, keeping up with the ever-changing landscape of technology and security. We'll explore why Python is their top choice, what kinds of clever tools they build, and even take a peek at some simple code to see how it all works in practice. Remember, this isn't about doing anything bad or illegal. It's about understanding the creativity, curiosity, and problem-solving that drive ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Just like learning the secret behind a magician's trick, discovering how hackers think and work makes you appreciate their skill and ingenuity even more. So, grab your curiosity goggles and get ready. Let's dive deep into the fascinating world of Python and hacking and see what secrets we can unlock together. Why Python? In a world overflowing with programming languages, what makes Python stand out as the ultimate tool for hackers in 2026? Imagine building with Legos, but you have every piece you could want. No limits, no missing parts, just endless possibilities at your fingertips. And the instructions are super clear, so you never get stuck or confused. That's the magic of Python. Python's syntax is clean and easy to read, so hackers can focus on solving problems, not fighting the language. Even complex ideas look simple, making it easy to share and collaborate. Its massive library collection, like requests for websites or Scapy for networks, means hackers can build powerful tools fast. There's a library for almost anything, from automating tasks to analyzing data or even breaking encryption. Python is a scripting language, so you can write and run code instantly, perfect for quick experiments and trial and error. No need to wait for long compile times or complicated setups. This rapid feedback loop is crucial for adapting on the fly. Hackers can tweak, test, and improve their code in real time, making them more agile and effective. Plus, Python's huge community means answers, tutorials, and code examples are always available. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you're never alone. Hackers can learn, grow, and build more advanced tools thanks to this global support. The community is always innovating, sharing new techniques and tools. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Python lets hackers automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for creative problem-solving and exploration. Python's flexibility, speed, and support make it the go-to language for digital locksmiths. It adapts to any challenge, from penetration testing to data forensics. That's why, in 2026, Python is still the hacker's favorite Swiss Army knife, versatile, reliable, and always ready for the next challenge. How does a hacker turn an idea into a tool? It's a journey that starts with a single spark of curiosity and grows into something much bigger. Every tool begins as a question, sometimes as simple as, what if I could see all the devices connected to this network? Or, how can I make this process easier? It starts with curiosity, like wondering how many devices are on a coffee shop's Wi-Fi. That curiosity leads to observation, watching how people use technology in everyday places and noticing the small details that others might overlook. Next comes planning, breaking the big problem into smaller, manageable steps. For example, first you need to find the network, then list the devices, and finally display the results in a way that makes sense. This stage is all about mapping out the journey from idea to execution, often using flowcharts or sticky notes to visualize each step. Hackers choose Python libraries and tools to help with each step. They might research which libraries are best for scanning networks, handling data, or building user interfaces, carefully selecting the right tools for the job. Then, they write code piece by piece, testing as they go, maybe starting with a simple, "Hello, I'm a network scanner," message. Each small success builds confidence and helps them move forward, turning ideas into working code. If something breaks, it's easy to spot and fix. Debugging is a natural part of the process, and every error is a chance to learn something new or improve the tool. After the first version, they test and improve. Does it work? Is it fast? They check for efficiency, reliability, and user experience, making sure the tool does what it's supposed to do. Can it handle weird situations? What happens if the network is down, or if there are unexpected devices? Testing for edge cases is crucial to make the tool robust. They refine, add features, and make the tool stronger. Maybe they add a user-friendly interface, or new options for advanced users, always looking for ways to make it better. This cycle, plan, code, test, improve, turns a simple idea into a powerful tool. It's a process of constant iteration, where each round brings new insights and improvements. It's all about curiosity, creativity, and constant learning. Every tool is a reflection of the hacker's journey from a single question to a solution that can make a real difference. Let's look at a classic tool, the password guesser. Its job? Try a huge list of common passwords, like 123456 or password, against a login page, automatically. Computers can try thousands of passwords in seconds, making this process much faster than any human. The tool reads from a word list file, looping through each password and attempting to log in. If it finds the right one, it reports success. If not, it keeps going until the list is done. This brute force method is like trying every key on a giant key ring. Security pros use these tools to find weak passwords before attackers do. When they find one, they help users strengthen their security. It's all about making the digital world safer. What does a simple password guesser look like in Python? Let's build a simulation. We'll set a secret password, say turtle, and a list of guesses like dog, cat, and turtle. The program loops through each guess, checking if it matches the secret password. If it's correct, it prints password found and stops. If not, it tries the next guess. Here's a sample code: Python secret, password, Chachir's turtle, guesses, Chachir's cat, 12345, dog, password, turtle, sunshine, for guess and guesses. If guess, wine, secret password, print F, success. The password is guess. Break. Now, let's talk about the network scanner, a digital detective's tool. It explores a network, finding out which devices are connected and active. This is the first step for hackers mapping the digital environment. The scanner sends tiny messages to every possible address, asking, "Are you there?" Each device has a unique IP address, like a house number. If a device responds, the scanner adds it to a list, maybe noting its operating system or open services. Security pros use scanners to spot unauthorized devices or check network security. It's essential for understanding and protecting any digital space. What does a basic network scanner look like in Python? Let's build a simple version. We'll use Python's socket library to check which ports are open on a computer. The program tries to connect to common ports, like 21, 22, 80, 443, on a target IP address. If the connection works, the port is open. If not, it's closed. Here's a sample code. Python import socket target IP addr 127.0.0.1 ports to scan MyRiver 21, 22, 80, 443, 8080 for port. In ports to scan sock or socket dot socket socket finet socket sock stream. If sock dot connect x target IP port. Water 0 print port open sock close. Building a tool is just the start. Real hackers test, break, and improve their scripts. They look for bugs. What happens if the Wi-Fi drops? What if the word list is empty? By intentionally trying to break their tools, they find weaknesses and fix them. They also optimize for speed, rewriting slow parts, or using multi-threading for faster scans. Testing sparks new ideas. Maybe the password guesser generates variations, or the scanner saves results. Over time, these tools evolve, becoming more powerful and reliable. This cycle of testing and refining is what turns a simple script into a sophisticated tool. It's all about making tools smarter, faster, and more useful. We've peeked into the secret workshop where hackers build their digital tools. It's not magic, it's curiosity, creativity, and clever problem solving. Hackers are digital detectives, and Python is their favorite tool. We saw how they turn questions into code, and code into powerful tools. The password guesser and network scanner show how simple logic can automate big tasks. Ethical hackers use these skills to make the digital world safer for everyone. Understanding these tools isn't scary, it's empowering. With Python and curiosity, anyone can start exploring the secrets of the digital world.